Hi guys, in this video I'm finally showing you how to apply a rubber modeling mask. Pay attention to the consistency. The consistency needs to resemble like a sour cream consistency, and we do not forget to apply a toner before applying this mask. If your mask is very runny, I would suggest you let it sit for 2 minutes, but I will put in the descriptions in detail how you need to prepare a perfect consistency mask. So 15 grams is pretty okay for one use, and you can use it only as an eye mask if you want. So I start with the lower part of my face. As you see, the mask is not runny at all. It kind of like just glues onto my skin perfectly. The only way to apply this mask is to use the scapula, and usually they come in the set together with the small bowl where you're mixing it. In the process, it is important to work kind of fast, I would say. You need to move quickly, but don't try to rush too much or panic by all means. In no time you will become a professional in applying this mask. And I also make sure that I do not have any hair, like you see where my hairline is, everything is backwards, because it will be challenging to take the mask off if hair kind of goes in a way. But if that happens, that still will be fine and you will still have your hair in place. Do not worry about that. In this video, I have a nourishing mask, and I try to work in a deep layer, as you see. As I was saying before, it's one of the main mistakes to apply it in a thin layer. It has to be thick. Really, do not be shy here. That's the only way you will take the mask off perfectly in 1 or 2 pieces. You can also apply it on top of your eyebrows. That's not a problem at all. It will not prevent a perfect mask. It will not prevent a perfect mask removal. See, I just keep layering it on. So little by little, we have covered almost the entire face. And pay attention now, I also put it on top of my lips. So because it is very good for the lips as well. Yeah, that's a great thing here. So you do like a lip mask at the same time. But just a little note here, if it's a mask for fighting acne, you do not apply it on your eyes the way I do right now, and you do not apply it on your lip area. So you just leave these areas alone. Applying it on the eyes is also very good because rubbing mask is very depuffing. So it's a wonderful eye treatment just right there. Well, it's great if you have a friend or someone who can help you out here, especially, you will not see anything, but I recommend doing it, say, in the bathroom, right in front of the mirror, and have the timer set already for 15 minutes. And right before you're going to apply it on this second eye, you hit the timer on, and do not forget to take it with you, or just make sure if you hear it. This way, you will safely get to the sofa. You could just do it next to the place where you're going to lay down. By all means, lay down. You do not walk around with this mask. Of course, we do not forget our neck. Neck is your second face, right? We do need to pay attention to the neck as well. I'm trying to apply the mask on my neck, so it's a little bit dripping, you can see, but that's totally fine. And we're almost done here. We're almost ready to indulge and relax for that 15 minutes. So now I have my timer set. You could do 16 minutes. I love do 15-20 minutes. And then you lay down. Now, once the timer is up, I still have one of my eyes open, obviously, so I could do this procedure, but we would cover the eye completely. What I'm trying to do here is remove mask in one piece, and I'm kind of succeeding in it, but it's not really the goal. It's just a funny thing for me to try to do that. See? And I have a few pieces left on my face. That's totally fine. It's very easily removed just with water. You do not need to wash your face with a cleanser or anything. You just remove these pieces with water. And then, of course, you again, even after the procedure, apply the toner and followed by a serum or a cream. And my face feels so good right now. Just this treatment is great for 2-3 times a week. You do 10 times. It's like your protocol of 10 times, and then you could do maintenance once or twice a week, depending on the mask. You can, of course, use several. A little massage is always a good idea. Couple of points here, and we're all done.